This is product design, design technology, product design, and I guess the reason you should pick this subject is if you're the kind of person that likes to create and make things. We're pretty much the only subject where you can build things that you've designed and come up with all up on your own. We've got amazing facilities at Collingwood. We've got enough machines and equipment, materials, computer labs, whatever you need to pretty much realise or build any product that you could imagine. So it doesn't matter which area of design and technology you've come from, whether it's textiles and electronics, engineering, resistant materials or graphics background, you can build and design products in any medium that you like within those subjects, and the best thing is we've got the gear here to make it. So this examined is it's 50% coursework, which is internally assessed and marked by me and moderated, and then 50% exam. It's a 2-year A-level like all the new A-levels, so it is linear, and the coursework element is done across the whole 2 years. Now that doesn't mean you just make one product and that's the end of it. The idea is that you would build maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 different prototypes of your product until you eventually develop the final thing that you are happy with and solves all the requirements of the design brief. So design is, as it's such a vast and creative subject, it makes you a great problem solver, which is a skill that you can take into any industry. But specifically this course, generally you would find students would take things like physics and maths alongside it and perhaps do engineering related degrees, or more commonly nowadays actually engineering related apprenticeships, and that could be pretty much in any area of engineering. It's probably worth pointing out in this video that a lot of people think engineering is just metal work and hitting things with hammers. Engineering is huge. It can be the chemical industry, medical, military, aviation, navy, at sea. There's just so many areas of engineering. And this course, I guess, gives you that kind of grounding in materials and how to make things that would make you useful in those industries. I took a very similar course when I did my A-levels, and it was my absolute favourite subject. It was the only one I look forward to. It's quite nice to have a course like this where you're out of the classroom learning kind of dry, boring theory, and you're actually doing something with that theory you've learned and creating something. And for me as a creative person, that's why I really enjoyed my design and technology A-level. And I know if you sign up to it, you will do too.